Good day, everyone. My name is Arun Mithiran, son of Gunasekar. I am the manager of UMP House Care Company. Today, we are going to propose our project, which is a platform to rent house for UMP students, which is called UMP House Rent Application. Firstly, let me introduce the members of our team, which is myself, Arun Mithiran, son of Gunasekar, EC 20067. I am the manager of this team. Next, Rohan Kalanathan, EC 20059, is the analyst of our team. Next, Arif bin Mohammad Marzuki, EC 19130, is designer of our team. Next, Sharil Niran bin Christopher, he is our developer of our team. Next, Naveen Kumar, son of Vishwanathan, EC 19117, is our tester of our team. Let us move to the overview of our project. During COVID-19 pandemic, the students were forced to study virtually from home and were not able to collect enough merit marks. This makes the students to get hostels are very hard. So after the government implemented face-to-face classes for all the students, this has forced them to find rental houses to stay as most of them are not able to get the hostel application due to limited numbers of spaces in the hostel. Students have only two options when it comes to finding a rental house or stay at university hostel. Furthermore, certain students are struggling to find rental houses which are nearby to the campus due to them not having a mode of transportation to travel for classes daily. This is the main reason why we choose to do this house rent application where it is the students to find rental houses near UMP. Next, I'm gonna tell about the introduction of our project. The students in UMP Gambang are struggling these days to find rental houses, especially the students who are not familiar with the Gambang area. UMP House Care was established in 2022 by five electrical engineering students. The company creates application in various project scopes related to house rent matters based on the society needs. The company is in collaboration with UMP Students Affairs Department (JPA) to assist students to find placement around UMP and help to ease problems related to house rent. Examples of the famous house rental areas are Gambang Damai and Gambang Jaya. And there are also areas located a bit further such as Gambang Makmo and also Kampung Sri Fajar. Next, I will explain about the objectives of this house rent application. Our application consists of three main objectives which are: firstly, allow students to find rental houses around the area of University Malaysia Pahang. Next, to allow easy communication of students and house owners with no middleman involved. Thirdly, able to search different types of houses and let the users have a variety of options. Next, let us see the scope of our project. The main target users for our UMP healthcare system are most of the second and third and also final year students that did not manage to get a hostel through UMP who are looking for affordable rental houses around University Malaysia Pahang. The extension for this task is to build up an application for the clients to make a house rent app. The product or the application will be manufactured using MIT App Inventor and also Firebase to store the database. The framework can show simple data interpretation between house owners and also students. From that, house owners can advertise their houses through this app, which helps them to increase their revenue and helps to reduce the time of students to find a house. The framework can store house information and users information data inside the database. To utilize this application, a record login is remembered for the framework for security purpose and to spare the client's subtleties. This app also allows safe communication between the host owner and also students. That's all from me.
Good day. My name is Rohan Kalanandan and I'm going to be presenting the basic concepts of our product design and functionality. So as you can see here, this is our login and registration page of our application. The users are meant to create an account first by inserting their user ID and password, and then they will be directed to the login page where we must insert our user ID and password to log in to the application. This is our user interface. Once the user logs into the application, they will be able to see four different categories, which is single story, double story, lot houses, and semi-D houses. And once they click into one category, for example, the single story category, they will be seeing examples of the houses here. So if you click one of the house example, they'll be directed to the picture of the houses, including with the details. The details such as the monthly payment, the payment type, the house type, and the condition. The users are even able to chat with the owners directly through WhatsApp and no middleman involved. If they are wanting to see of the location of the houses, it is just one link click away. As for the owner's interface, they are able to upload once they create an account and log into the application. They are able to upload photos of their houses and upload even the details of their houses, such as the monthly payment, payment type, house type, condition, phone number, and location. And through this app, the owners are even able to chat with the users directly. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
So this is a login page. First, you need to sign up. Enter your user ID and then password, and lastly confirm the password. Then submit the info. So your account already signed up. Next, you need to log in. Enter the ID and the password, and then log in. And then successfully log in.
Hi, my name is Sharil Miran and I will demonstrate the apps function. First, we will log in as an admin. After we log in, this is the homepage for the admin function. We can add image for the properties. Then we can add all the detail needed for the house. For example, the house payment, type of house, and the condition of the house. The admin need to enter his number phone for the WhatsApp function and also the house location. After enter all the information, submit, and the data will be stored. Next, we will log in as a student. This is the homepage for student. So we can see all the house. We can choose to see the detail. All detail are there. And if we want to see the location, we can click the button, GPS button, and it will direct to the GPS function. Other than that, if you want to WhatsApp the owner, we can click the WhatsApp button and it will direct us to the WhatsApp application.
And later, I'm going to present about user experience test, where first of all, the rating of given by application was test. With the 27 responses, there are 40.1 of the users have given 4-star rating. Then 33.3% of the users have given 5-star rating, and 11.11% of the users have given 3-star rating. Moreover, 7.4% of the users have given 2-star rating. These are the ratings for the application. And next is, what is the type of user for the application? With 27 responses, there are 66.7 of the users have tested the app as a student. Meanwhile, 33% of the users have tested as app owner. And next is user experience test for 20. Would you like to suggest apps to the friends? Where 27 responses, there are 88.9 of the users have test responses to suggest the app to the friends. In the meanwhile, 11.1% of the users will not suggest to their friends. And next is the evaluation function of apps, where depending on the user's perspective, 64 of users claim that apps functionally is excellent. 24% stated the app's functionality is sufficient, and 3% stated that app functionality is merely enough. And next is these are the recommendation of what to improve in our app. From the question, what should you want to see improve in your app? All users provide their comments on how we can improve the app and make it more user-friendly and innovative. This input will be used to enhance our app in the future. And that's all from us, Group 12. Thank you so much.